Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through the comparison between FeedHive and Hyperise, which is the ultimate social media automation. Let's start. FeedHive or Hyperise, if you are torn between these two social media powerhouses, stick around and we'll break it down for you. When it comes to what they're best for, FeedHive is best for AI-powered scheduling and analytics, while Hyperise is for hyper-personalized marketing that involves images, videos, and emails. And when it comes to AI features, FeedHive is best for writing assistant, hashtags, posts, and predictions, while Hyperise has dynamic image or video personalization at scale. So if you're looking for the best in customization, simply go for Hyperise. When it comes to platforms, FeedHive integrates or works with Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook, while Hyperise works with ads, emails, and all social media. So the winner, definitely Hyperise, because it has a broader use. When it comes to pricing, FeedHive starts at $19 per month, while Hyperise has a custom pricing where you have enterprise focused. Winner, FeedHive, because it's budget friendly. When it comes to automation, FeedHive has post scheduling, recycling, and team workflows, while Hyperise has real-time personalization and tracking. So who's the winner? Hyperise for ads and emails. When it comes to ease of use, FeedHive has a simple drag and drop feature, while Hyperise has steeper learning curve, so definitely FeedHive is much better in ease of use. When it comes to the ideal users, FeedHive is ideal for social media managers and creators, while Hyperise is ideal for marketers, sales teams, and agencies. So your niche depends on which one you should go for. But in summary, I would say pick FeedHive for AI social scheduling and team collaboration, and choose Hyperise for next level ad or email personalization. But both of them beat manual work, so just pick your battle. Which tool fits your hustle? Drop your pick below. Like and subscribe for more tech showdowns and go crush those campaigns. See you in the next video.